Here, let's talk about storage devices. In the computer, we have two types of storage devices. Okay, we have the temporary storage, which is the random access memory, and we have the permanent storage, which is the HDD or hard disk drive. The two types of storage devices also have different capacities. Okay, for the RAM, you may have 2 gig, you may have 4 gig, you may have 8 gig, okay, and so on. Single module. Then for the hard disk, we may have 80 gig, 160 gigabytes, okay, we have 320, we have 500 gigabytes, we have 1 terabyte, which is 1000 gigabytes, you have 2 terabytes, which is also 2000 gigabytes. So let me show you the different types that we have that are common in everyday use. Here are the storage devices that we have. This is the hard disk, this is the external hard disk. Okay, this is an external hard disk. Okay, it's an external hard disk as well. This one is called USB 3.0. This is how you identify this is the mount. The mount is different. Okay, this is faster than the one of 2.0. This 2.0. This USB 2.0. Okay, so you can buy either of them. They will serve you. These are actually external hard disks that you need in the course of using the computer. Now, inside of them, this is what you have in there. Okay, this is what is inside. And this, for example, this is a thin client. This is a thin client. Okay, so this is equivalent to your CPU. Now we have the flash drive. The storage devices, as we said, you have this is the flash drive. Okay, there's a mount. You have the hole at the top. Okay, if you want to plug it here. Look at the hole at the top. It's male and female. Okay, like that. The hole. Make sure that it enters like that. That's the fat part, just like this. Okay, you have plugged it. That's how to plug it. Is how to remove it. Then you have this. This your DVD. This is a DVD. The system I did my computer. Okay, this is a DVD, and you have CDs, you have DVDs, and you have Blu-rays. Both the CD and the DVD and the Blu-ray, they have the same shape. Okay, they have the same shape. So all we used to identify them is the name on the body, and this DVD arrow. You can see that this DVD arrow. This DVD. You have the one that is writable as well. This one you write on this once, and that's all. Okay? So, but don't bother yourself about this. Okay, as you use the computer, just concern yourself about the use of the external hard disk. You pack your data here. Okay, you can also use this for your day-to-day activity. That's the external hard disk, and also the flash drive. Okay, just concern yourself with these two: the flash drive and your external hard disk. You're okay. So these are all storage devices. This is where the computer stores its data permanently. As you see, this side is inside of this. It's inside. This is inside. This is the hard disk.